Hello everyone. Today we have another problem and the problem statement is in front of you. Let's see this. You have a table called electronic items. Write an SQL query to find the average price of electronic items in each category, considering only categories where the average price exceeds 500 and at least 20 total quantity of items is available. Additionally, only include the items with a warranty period of 12 months or more. Written the category name along with the average price of items in that category. Written the category name, okay, and the average price of that item in that category. Order the result by average price round to two decimal places in descending order. Okay, we have a table and whose name is electronic items. This one, in the first condition, it says you have to find the average price of electronic items in each category. So the category is this one, and you have to find the average price in each category. Okay, let's suppose computers, then you have to find the average price of computers in that category. Okay, whatever the average price is. Okay, and you have to consider only those categories where the average price exceeds 500. That means in the result you have to consider only those categories who has average price greater than 500. Okay, if any category has average price less than 500, then you do not have to consider that category. And another condition is at least 20 total quantity of items is available. So for example, let's suppose we have a category font. There must be at least 20 quantity items should be there. If any category has less than 20 items, we do not consider that category. Additionally, only include the items with a warranty period 12 months or more. Okay, so let's take, we have a category computers which had 24 months warranty, so we can consider this. We have another category is phones, so the warranty period is 18 months, which is greater than equal to 12. Okay, so here is another category, television, so here 11, so we will not consider this one. Okay, return the category. In the result, we what we have to give output in the form of category and return the category name along with the average price of item in that category. So here it would be average price. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, so here is our table. Okay, let me execute this, and here is the problem statement that I have written in front of you. Okay, so what it is asking, you have a table called electronic items. Okay, write an SQL query to find the average price of electronic items in each category. Okay, so category, category category comma average price as average price. Okay, from electronics. Okay, group by category. If I'll run this, sorry, it must be electronic items. So this is the output that I got. Okay, now considering only the categories where the average price exceeds 500. Okay, so we have to consider only those categories where the average price is greater than 500. Having average price is greater than 500. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, control X. So these are the categories contain the average price is more than 500. Okay, and at least 20 quantity of items is available. Okay, the items, if you see the quantity items, this one, it must be, and somehow the quantity is greater than or equal to 20. Okay, let me run this. So these are the four categories. Let me move on to another condition. Additionally, only include the items with a warranty period 12 months or more. Okay, now we have to give where condition, where warranty months, okay, WARRANTY underscore months equals to 12, greater than equal to 12. Okay, return the category name along with the average price of items in that category. Okay, average price, and round to two decimal places. Okay, average is given as, let me give round this and comma 2 like this, and let me run this. So here is our order the result by average price. Okay, in descending order. Now the order by average price, DESC. So this is our out. I hope it is clear now.